Real estate is one of those industries where AI is quietly transforming the rules of the game. From predicting property values to analyzing buyer behavior, AI allows agents and developers to make smarter, faster decisions. Imagine being able to tell exactly which property will appreciate the most before anyone else even notices. But here is a catch: AI doesn't replace human judgment, it augments it. It gives you the insights, but you still need the experience, the intuition, and the negotiation skills to act on them. The companies that succeed aren't the ones with the most data, they are the ones that use AI insights strategically, spotting opportunities others miss. If you are in real estate, ignoring AI isn't just risky, it's leaving money on the table.